What's up, members? We're going to talk about the stocks that we should be buying tomorrow. Take a look at this. Microsoft has finally broken out of this $390 shell. It's been rejecting. Let me show you right here. Rejection at 390, rejection, move lower down to 350, rejected right here, rejected right here, rejected right here, and now has broken out right here with this big green candle forming. Let me show you a break and retest that just happened today. Right here at the bell, you had a double bottom forming right in this area on this candle right here at 387, rejected 391, bear trap, then double support at 387, blasted up higher, and this is your break and retest right in this area. Let me erase it. I'm going to show you right here at $390 per share, bounced off, followed our 9 and 21 EMA strategy. You can get that as part of the WAP. Check it out in the profile for you. And then moved higher into double top resistance. Tomorrow, you better be watching this stock. If it pulls back, I'm looking for entries back at 390. If we get that pullback confirmation again, the bear's trying to take it back down. The bulls are going to start coming in, especially with earnings in a week and a half. I think this baby can run. And looking at Microsoft, we want to see, can we get this push higher? Can we go 396 up to $430 up before earnings? That is definitely possible. The next stock I want you to watch is MU. MU stock is to the short side. If you look at MU, we have had rejections all the way from $1,000 rejection, $1,000 rejection, $1,000 rejection. Now, our goal is to get MU to move lower to this level right here at $800 per share. We want to see this. We want to see a retest. When you look out and zoom out here, you had support at this $800 level. Now it's right here, support at $800 level. We want to see MU pull back to 900 all the way down to 800, which is another 9% pullback. Now, if you're saying, oh, I can't afford MU, I have a surprise for you. You can trade MUU, which is the MU Bull 2-time shares. And remember, this does decay, but the levels are the same when you look at this. It had a 30-to-1 stock split. That is why it is $30 per share. Shout out to the WAP member for bringing that up to us. You're looking at $30 right here. We're looking for that move, identical, down to $23 per share. The next stock I want you to pay attention to tomorrow is Netflix. They have earnings. Be very careful. They have earnings. Going to be interesting to watch here. $108 does done nothing but slide down 33%. If you go in the last year, though, it actually gets worse for Netflix bag holders. From $134 all the way down to $72, that's a 45% pullback. I want you to be aware of this and keep this in mind. But buyers beware. If you buy at $70 per share, your stop loss better be below this. Look for bounces, retest, push higher. We'll see what happens after earnings on that. The fourth stock that I think you should be paying attention to, and it's not going to be what you think it is, wait till I pick it out for you. This stock has a ton of momentum, and it is definitely has potential here because it is trading right next to its IPO price. Look at SpaceX. SpaceX is trading at $132 per share. That is the pre-IPO price, $135. From $230 all the way down to $135 is a 42% pullback. Looking at that pullback, I would be very cautious. But if you want to take a stab where pre-IPO bag holders got in, this doesn't look like a bad entry now after that move to $230. Just make sure you follow a stop loss.